Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Monday, lifted by shares in capital goods, telecommunication services, and the transportation sector. On the economic front, the Chicago Fed National Activity Index slightly improving to 0.34 in April, while advancers ahead of decliners, 77% of SP 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Amgen announcing that the FDA has approved the use of Prolia for the treatment of GIOP in men and women at high risk of fracture or patients who have failed or are intolerant to other available osteoporosis therapy, while Adobe Systems announced plans to buy back $8 billion of shares through the full year 2021. Turning overseas, Asian markets mostly down today. The Nikkei down 0.18%. The Hang Seng closed for a national holiday. China's CSI 300 down 0.38%, and South Korea's Kospi also closed for a holiday. European markets are edging higher, and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, TJX Company's first quarter EPS seen at $1.02, while Intuit third quarter EPS seen at $4.67 on sales of approximately $2.9 billion. AutoZone third quarter EPS seen at $12.94, while Kohl's first quarter EPS seen at 50 cents. Moving on to the data front, 10 o'clock in the morning, we have the May Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index, while over in the markets, the SP 500 sees a bullish bias, and that's in focus as the relative strength index is bullish and calling for further upside. Long positions above 27.24 are favored, with targets at 27.41.25 and 27.51 in extension. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq sees a rebound expected, and the Dow Jones sees a bullish bias above 24,850.